Alright, and welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video I just want to talk about the best cream, the best lotion you can use and have this glowing skin. From this skin to this skin, and you have this flawless skin, this lightened this skin without knuckles, without patches, without circles, without pimples, without hackings, and you have this flowing glowing skin, and you're going to be having the best skin. If at all this is your first time to do click on my account, please kindly subscribe. I'm Sharad Natural Beauty Products. I do natural products and I also do the best lotions in the market. So guys, I deal in creams, I do sell creams. I know the best if at all you want to lighten up, but if at all you're very interested in lightening up your skin, I'm going to be producing out different types of lotions, how you can mix them, what you have to add there, and how you can find the original products on this channel. So if at all this is the first time to click on my channel, I don't want to miss out, so just tap up. I'm going to be showing you how, what you need, what you're going to be using, and have this super looking skin from this look too. So guys, today I have John Dave here. This lotion it's very nice. It's going to give you that yellow tone. It has no hydroquinone. It's hydroquinone 0%, so it's going to lighten up your skin in just a duration of just 7 days. In 7 days your skin is going to be so in just 7 days it's going to lighten up your skin. It's going to lighten up your skin. Woo! But before I say that it's going to lighten up your skin, you need to mix it with the best oils, you need to mix it with the best tubes, you need to mix it with the best serums, you need to base it to avoid the white dots. Mostly these days we are having an issue of the white dots, because most of the people, they are facing the issue of the white dots. Why? Because they don't know how to mix the cream. For those who want to learn how they mix creams, so that don't miss to tap on my channel. If at all you want to learn how they mix, you have your own cream, just put it in the comment section and I'll tell you how you have to mix it. Any cream can give you this color, from this color to my color. So any cream, any lotion, if at all you mix it the best way. So guys, for me, I'm just going to be showing you and I tell you how you have to mix it, the measurements, how you have to mix it. Because just know one thing, if the cream is full, you have to mix it in a proper way. You have to find either small polythene bag, you pour there your cream, then you mix it. You have to mix it well. Okay, so we have this lotion. Look, this lotion is very nice, very nice. So if at all you want to lighten up, so in this lotion, what are we going to add in this lotion? It's very good, but we always do, in my recommendation, I always talk about Pimenti Serum. Why do I always talk about Pimenti Serum? Pimenti Serum, it's a peeling off lotion, it's a peeling off serum. Yeah, it peels off, but it balances your pH, it balances your skin from the head to the toe, from the head to the toes. So that means when you add in Pimenti Serums, I add it in my lotion. So don't forget, this has to be a regular supplement. So I'm going to talk about this one. Bio of 42 hours. This oil, it's very nice. It's going to keep your skin moisturized and it's going to keep your skin glowing. So this is a serum, but this is a what? This one, it's an oil. This oil is very strong and very good. So it's, you have to mix it as well. So guys, don't forget to get this 42 hours what oil. It's very nice. So guys, don't forget to put our extra lightening oil. This extra lightening oil, wait, now it's very nice, it's very good. It's going to make your skin light and it's not going to give you white dots. Trust me on that. It's not going to give you white dots, but this lotion, it may give you the white dots. That's why I'm going to be giving you all the things you need to put in. And put this in the mind, all the things I'm talking about here, you can even mix it in your good cream, in your good lotion. So guys, next I'm going to talk about Vit Gold. I don't know whether you know this. This is a Vit Gold oil. This Vit Gold oil, it's very nice. It's a treatment oil. It's going to repair your oil. It's a toner. It's going to tone your skin. So you need it in your mixture. So next I'm going to talk about glycerin. I have my glycerin here. It's finishing. It is going to reduce the harshness. Oh, it's going to reduce the amount of the cream, so it's going to base it so that you're not going to get white dots. So I have here the Baby and Me oil. This is our this oil is totally natural. So whenever you're mixing your cream, don't put only lightening things, don't put only bleaching things. At least try something natural, which is going to give you that kind of natural look. Yet you're bleaching, but you have that kind of natural look. So don't forget this one. Put Baby and Me, put glycerin, put a Baby and Me. There is this tube, it's called Ketazo. You can look it for in any pharmacy. It's called Ketazo. It's very, very nice. So you can take this, you can take a picture of this tube, you go look it in the pharmacy. It helps to prevent white dots, green veins on the skin. So before you mix your cream, make sure that you have this tube into your cream to avoid the white dots, to avoid the white dots on the legs and stretch marks as well. And our last and favorite one, don't forget to put in the frozen powder. Yeah, this is very nice. It's a whitening powder. It's very nice, and it's very good to be mixed into your oils or to be mixed in what? In your cream. It has vitamin E. Vitamin E, it helps the skin to age. It helps the skin not to glow up. It helps the skin to look young. So you always have to add in the what? The for frozen. It also has glutathione. Glutathione helps to reduce that black black complexion. So it's going to reduce your black complexion and your skin is going to go. You understand? So it has vitamin C. Definitely, you know, vitamin C. It's going to lighten up your skin. So guys, if at all you want to lighten up this wello from here to me, you have to do all the things I told you to do. Okay guys, so if at all you find this video very interesting and you'd like to watch my another video when I'm talking about another cream, and I'm going to be giving you different mixtures. You understand? Different mixtures. I have the reason why in this lotion I added in these ones, but I have another reason in the other video why am I going to mix it differently. So guys, I'm Sharati Natural Beauty Products. I do deal in creams. I do deal in mixing creams. So if at all you want to learn how you can mix your cream and have this flawless glowing skin, hey, just please and please kindly tap on the screen, follow me up, let's get started. Love you guys, can't wait to see you in the next video. Don't forget to drop in your comments, ask me anything you want to know. I'm ready to answer. Love you guys.